Remember that it isn't just a desire for power and money that makes a man humble and deferential towards others, but also the desire for the opposite, for a life of peace and quiet, of travel and scholarship. It's a general rule that externals of any kind, if we attach importance to them, make us subject to somebody. It makes no difference whether we wish to be a senator or wish not to be one, whether we desire to have office or to avoid it, whether we say, I can't do anything unfortunately, I'm tied to my books like a stiff, or sadly I have no leisure for study. A book is an external, just like office or public honours. Why do you want to read anyway? For the sake of mere amusement or erudition? Those are poor, fortuitous pretexts. Reading should serve the goal of attaining peace. If it doesn't make you peaceful, what is it good for? You say, but it does help with that, which is exactly why I regret being deprived of it. Well, what kind of peace is that is so easily shattered, not by the emperor or even by a friend of the emperor, but by a crow, a street musician, a cold, or 1,000 other annoyances? True peace is categorized by nothing so much as steadiness and imperturbability.